Hello YouTubers, this is just a short movie about adjusting the table and take it out of play of a milling machine. Every part moving in a dovetail is having a mechanism to take out the play, which is called gib. So the gibs are tapered parts. If you see, it's larger here than here, and by adjusting the gibs, by adjusting the depth of the gibs, you basically take out the play of the table. So if the gib is not correctly inserted in the dovetail, there is too much play. If the gib is if the gib is too tight inside the dovetail, then the table is not able to move. It will get used to some other parts. I mounted the dial indicator. I will load it. Okay. Basically, what the dial indicator shows is just to take out the play. I mean, I'm looking for no play at all. So there is some play. I'm tightening the gib. There still is some play. Some more. We have 100 of a millimeter between two consecutive lines. That's it. We are now at 300 of a millimeter. So this is basically how you adjust the table on the milling machine, or any table that's moving on a dovetail, on any other machines. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe. If you